What's going on, everybody? Mikey Daily Carry here to share 3 incredible items from Everyday Adventure Co. These items were gifted to me by Everyday Adventure Co. Brandon, the homie, thank you very much. However, I will link them in the description of this video if you would like to purchase them yourself. So first things first is the Hike pouch in black camo. Priced at $45, the Hike EDC pouch is perfect for holding your SFKs, also known as single finger knucks, or smaller EDC items. It's made from vegetable tan full grain leather in black camo, and it's as rugged as it is stylish. This pouch is designed to fit a variety of EDC gear, from the notorious beer bomb to challenge coins and more, really. But currently I have the Nuka in this Hike. This was gifted to me by my boy Pocket Filth, and it fits in my Hike like a glove, and it's handcrafted 100% with meticulous attention to detail, and I absolutely love it. Next up is the Expedition in black camo as well. This is an exclusive piece made from me specifically. The Expedition is the ultimate carry-all for your EDC gear. Packed with 4 compartments, it's designed to keep your essentials organized and accessible. Despite its spacious design, it remains pocketable, sleek, and slim, even when fully loaded like so. Currently, I have mine set up to hold my Big Idea Design pry bar, which is right here, my twist pen by Big Idea Design, my Olight i3T in titanium, and my Big Idea Design utility knife. I got a whole lot of Big Idea Design in here, you know what I'm saying? And lastly is the Cruiser Organizer attachment, also in black camo, set to release very soon, specifically on the Mike Cruise Facebook page. If you're not on there already, hit me up on my DMs. I'll send you an invite. This is another exclusive collaboration with Everyday Adventure Co. and myself. As you can see, the Cruiser attachment is going to be released alongside the Cruiser 5.0, which is a collaboration between Mike Cruise and myself. It's the perfect addition to the Cruiser wallet, designed to carry your EDC essentials with ease. Just like the Hike, it is made from vegetable tan full grain leather and proudly made here in the USA, specifically tailored to fit slimmer EDC items like my CRKT APC, also known as Always Pocket Carry Slip Joint Knife, or the Leatherman Style PS. Discontinued, but still very functional and stylish. But there you have it, folks. These are the 3 amazing pieces from Everyday Adventure Co. Make sure you check out his site. I'll link it in the description of this video. The Expedition is custom made, so if you want a piece like this made for yourself, make sure you just send him an email or a DM, and he'll definitely hook you up. Thanks you all for watching. Till next time, peace out. Fuck a pow!